Okay, welcome guys to another lesson of Learn, Apply, Win. This is going to be a very quick lesson. You know, I kind of debated how much I wanted to go through this. The title of the video is How to Make Your Own Facebook Page. Look, I honestly believe that this is pretty simple, guys. Like there's no way I have to actually sit here and show you how to create a Facebook page. I will run through it quickly just in case there is people that don't know how to. But more importantly, I wanted to show you my Facebook page that I've made. And something I really like is having a video cover. And there's a certain software I use in order to make these live action logo videos. I think they're very cool looking. They'll make your course very professional, not just for your Facebook, but inside your course as well. And you've probably noticed them throughout the training course as well. So I'm going to be showing you how to use that software. That software is pretty easy as well. Not much to show here, but I'm gonna run through it very quickly. So if anybody doesn't know how to make a Facebook page, you simply go hit this little arrow here, and yeah. So the arrow is not working. That's weird. Well, no, it's actually harder than I thought. Alright guys, I think my Google Chrome is playing up. I'm gonna switch to Internet Explorer. Just a sec. Alright, I'm back guys. I'm in Internet Explorer. I don't know what's wrong with Google Chrome. Sometimes it plays up like that with Facebook. Anyway, hit that arrow, like I said before, hit that arrow to the top right. You want to go to create page. Very simple. Choose, it doesn't really matter what you choose. I chose organization. Select a category, education, and then I'll just put testing 1, 2, 3 page. Okay, so simple. We get started. That's it. You add your profile picture. So remember back in Canva when you saved that logo, just find where that is, upload the logo. I won't do that. And then you should go to your video cover as well. But for now, just hit skip because we want to actually create a video cover, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So guys, I use this software called Videos. It's very cool software. I really think it's handy, and you're going to be using it later on throughout this course just to give you guys that professional look. If you don't know any animation or how to create stylish videos, this is a good cover up. Because I'll be honest guys, not good at video editing, but this really puts a little sprinkle on some shit. So the videos, I've put a link in my membership area. It's an affiliate link, so if you did want to buy the software, I appreciate if you buy through my affiliate link anyway, and you're really going to enjoy what this has to offer. I am just going to log in. Hopefully I've remembered my password. I have. Logs in automatically. So yeah, this is so simple guys. Very easy stuff. I'll give you an example. So you just click on that. Again, upload your logo. Don't remember what where my logo is. Let me just no, it's connected to my hard drive, but I'll just load any logo for now, just as an example. Let's use this. Okay, logo example. Add audio, hit render video. That's pretty much it, guys. You're done. Once that's finished rendering, after that you wanna. This is going to look blank for anyone who's created their Facebook page. You're going to have your logo, but this will be blank for now. What you want to do first is actually upload your video into the status bar. So you hit that, you go upload video. So upload your video. It's probably not going to be finished. No. So upload your video, and then once you've done that, you hit this button over here, change cover. Just jump back into our Internet Explorer. Yeah, so this was our example page. Go away, Facebook. Okay. It's trying to give me how annoying is that? Create your first post. I'll create my first post when I want to, Facebook. So hit this add cover and then go choose from videos, and you're going to choose the video that you have uploaded over here. Okay, sometimes it may give you this error, so you might upload the video and then you might get this error. You just got to wait for a bit and refresh the page and then just try again. So if you've already uploaded the video and it's still giving you an error, just wait a bit, refresh the page and keep trying. Okay, choose from videos, done. And yeah, that's how I'm able to get that very nice looking video cover, very professional looking Facebook page. So that's my tips, guys. That's how you make an awesome Facebook page. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.